Safety. Before we get into the assembly of the building itself, we want to emphasize one word: safety. Before erection can begin, the foundation must be properly cured. Consult your concrete professional regarding any foundation questions. During the assembly of your building, you will be working with heavy steel components which will be hanging in the air. Metal shavings will be flying. Fiberglass will be blowing. Consequently, hard hats, gloves, and safety glasses are a must on your job site. Everyone on the job should be reminded to be alert as to what is going on around them at all times. Erectors are cautioned not to cut or alter any of the primary structural components, such as the rigid frame columns, rafters, end-bearing frame rafters, or interior columns. These are the primary support members for the frame and are designed as such. Any alteration of these members may affect the structural stability of your finished building. A representative of Mueller's must be consulted prior to making alterations of any structural components. Do not install any material if its quality is in question. Mueller Incorporated will not be responsible for costs associated with the installation and/or removal of the same. Please contact your Mueller sales representative immediately with any quality concerns. Stay clear of loads being moved by any lifting device. Hands and feet should be kept clear of moving loads. Never stand under material being lifted. During construction, take precautions to secure the structure during assembly. Temporary bracing may be required to stabilize the structure during erection. Never leave the structure unbraced. Always use the proper tool to install fasteners. A fastener driver or screw gun with a speed of 1700 to 2500 RPM should be used for installing self-drilling screws. Also, always sweep metal filings from the surface of panels at the end of each work period. Rusty filings can make the panels slippery and will destroy the paint finish, voiding any warranty. Tools needed. As with any project, having the appropriate tools will make the process move along much easier. Here is a list of tools that will be helpful during the construction of your building. Additional tools may be required depending upon the specific requirements of your building.